And then let's SSH in as Eleanor. Okay, so this is the Eleanor level from the Venus CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need to do to start the level is to read this mission.txt file over here. So we're just going to cat mission.txt and see what the level goals are. So we see here that this is mission number 08, and the user Victoria has left her password in the file in which the user is the user violin. Interesting. So we're gonna this continues our find fest, where we need to use the find command to locate the file that has the password for the next level. Okay, so in this case, we're going to use the find command on the entire file system here, and then we're going to specify a user, and the user for this file is the user violin, and we're going to specify a type, which is the file type. So the last thing we need to do is we need to redirect all the error output to the dev null device, and that means that we're not going to see any error messages just in case we try to access files that we don't have permission for. So when we run the command, we find that only one file matches here, and it's in this directory here, user local games yo. Okay, so yo has to be a file, and we're going to read this file using the cat command. So we just copy the file path here, and then we paste it in over here, hit enter, and this is the password for the next level. So the next level is going to be the Victoria user, and this is going to be their password. So if you're joining in at home, this is the password for the next level. There you go. Okay, so before we finish this level, let's do a little after action report over here, over at GitHub. So in this case, our target user for the next level is the Victoria user, and our method of solving this level is locate the file that belongs to the violin user, and the key command in this case was this. Find slash user violin type F. Okay, just like this. Let's commit these changes. All right, so this was a guided walkthrough for the Eleanor level from the Venus CTF labs on hackmyvm.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click like and subscribe on the video and leave a comment under the video. All right, but until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.